Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to see all blocked phone numbers on iPhone. So first of all, go ahead to your browser, and here it says go to the settings, phone, and then tap blocked contacts to see the list. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go back to my screen and go ahead to my settings, and basically on my settings, what I'm going to do, I'm going to scroll a little bit down, scroll a little bit down till you find the phone. Click on it, and basically you're gonna be able to see your phone number and notification and all that. Scroll a little bit down, and you're gonna be able to see in that last section, or before the last section, you're gonna be able to see, the three options right here: silence unknown callers, blocked contacts. And from here you're gonna be able to see all of the numbers that you blocked throughout the years, months, or even weeks. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to follow us on social media, and see you in the next one.